I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So this vehicle has a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.